If you've just purchased the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb for your personal vehicle, first off, thank you. It's the best and brightest bulb, and I hope you're very satisfied with it. The second thing you need to do after installing it is to make sure you adjust it properly. This is super important so you're not blinding oncoming drivers. The last thing you want is the brightest LED bulb in the world to scatter that light and hit either the ground and then blind you, or hit the vehicle way down the road. You don't want to make it unsafe. This is supposed to keep you safer when you're driving, so let's align it properly. There's a lot of different bulb types out there, so understanding what type of bulb type you have will help you guys in this video when I show you each bulb type and how to align them properly. It's actually really easy. There's only a few of them, and you can adjust it very quickly. We'll start with this one, an H7. A lot of these, like I said, are very similar. This one, for instance, you don't even need an Allen key. It doesn't come with anything to adjust it because it's all just friction. It's held in there like this. You can just simply turn it. This collar goes into the backside of your OEM headlight housing, and then you have the bulb. This goes for every single bulb type. You don't want your bulb to sit like this inside of your headlight housing. There's mirrors inside of these headlight housings. It's like a big old reflector-based housing, and the last thing you want is to shoot this in a spot that it's not supposed to shoot. It's supposed to shoot on the sides and then project out to give you a good beam pattern. This is not how it should sit. Your bulb should sit something like that, with the cord oftentimes coming straight down. If the cord's down, that's correct. If this bulb is straight up and down and the LEDs are shooting out, that's also correct. Any other way, and you're gonna get a terrible looking beam pattern that's going to reflect on the ground and reflect in the oncoming driver's eyes. Last thing you want. So there's that. That's as simple as it can be. Let's do H13. Again, they're so similar. This one right here, same thing. Once it's in the housing, you can twist it. It's a little bit firm because they don't want them just wobbling around inside the headlight housing, but you hold onto the ears. When it's inside your headlight housing, you can lock it in place just like that. Remember, it needs to sit like that. Now let me show you on the H11. This is probably the bulb that you have because it is the most popular bulb out there. This is the H11 bulb, and it isn't just tension, it is held in by a little Allen screw. So all you gotta do is reach into your box and get that little Allen wrench here, open it up, and then you gotta locate the screw. Now the screw is actually underneath this little rubber piece here. So you can feel around for it. And once you see it, it's underneath there, just pull it up a little bit. Take your little Allen key, and we're going to loosen it up just enough. We're not removing this screw all the way. That's the last thing you wanna do. Loosen it up just enough to be able to twist the collar, just like that. Then take this and tighten that screw back down. You're gonna have to play with it a few times to get it just right, because remember, you want this to be aimed down on the LEDs to shoot out like that. Once you've got it locked into the backside of your headlight housing and you've tested it to make sure the beam pattern is exactly what you wanted, and you're good to go. Almost every other bulb that's adjustable from GTR Lighting is just like that. Some of them are even a little bit easier. 9005 is barely any different. The only difference is really you don't have that rubber gasket around here. So that little screw is so easy to find. That's simply all it takes. Just adjust it, make sure it's sitting properly so that way you get the world's best beam pattern out of the world's brightest bulb. Guys, if you don't know anything about this LED bulb yet, I've made probably 35 videos on it so far because I'm passionate. We want to take this bulb and install it in every single vehicle that there is known to man to see how much brighter it is, because every single one of these headlight housings perform a little bit differently. You don't want something that's not good, and that's why we test at headlightrevolution.com. Type in your year, make, and model so you get the right bulb size and the right lighting upgrades for you.